Duck? No. Duck?
Oi, Saif, what are you doing? Still counting birds, eh?
Yeah, mate, something like that. Duck?
Oh, cool. Well, you remember that actual bad count we did with BirdLife Australia?
Yeah, of course I do. Duck?
You're taking this game really seriously. Well, BirdLife put us in a magazine. Pretty stoked about it.
Oh yeah, that looks really good. Duck?
Oh, look! Give this a goosey gander.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Duck?
Oh, my God. Look, I love counting birds, but I did realise that a lot of people found it strange.
What do you mean?
I just can't believe such a cool organisation like BirdLife Australia put us 2 bush turkeys in their magazine. Like, getting all this data about where birds are, how many are left, really goes to their conservation efforts. When a group of people are doing...
What do you mean? Haven't you seen BirdLife's goals? Have you not read it? Have you not seen all these missions, these awesome missions that they want everybody to get involved in? Like by 2050, they want to stop completely any bird species decline in Australia.
Wow.
I know, it's amazing. Check it out.
We'd be involved.
Just one more thing.
Yeah.
Goose.
All right, see you then.